Hey there, how are you? My name is Lucila. I'm a textile designer from Buenos Aires, Argentina. Right now I'm here in Toronto, in Canada, and this is my first YouTube video ever, so I'm quite nervous, but I will try to make this work. Just to introduce myself, I'm a textile designer. As I told you before, I studied textile design back in Buenos Aires in the University of Buenos Aires. Right now I'm pursuing a master degree in design and communication, and I have several years of working in the knitting wear industry, making custom made pieces for artists, usually for music videos or for movies or for advertisement. And I work with artisanal techniques but also with some domestic knitting machines, so I try to make them both techniques converge into an experimental way to approach the knitwear design. And as I told you before, this is my first video and it will be all about the yellow sweater that you're seeing right now on my desk, which is like halfway complete and not already done, but it will be part of a solo exhibition that I will have in the following month, probably in September. I do not have the precise date yet, but I will show you and share with you everything as soon as I have the details. For making like a little bit of context about this exhibition, right now I'm working with some vintage materials, upcycling some old curtains and some tablecloth and different fabrics that I found. So this sweater will be part of a matching set that I have already done, which is made out of an old curtain. Here I have some scraps that were remind of the process of making the set. So I started cutting some flowers that were part of the fabric and starting to make them match with the knitting and embroidery I have already done. This sweater is made like it's knit in the domestic knitting machine that I told you before. I have filmed some videos of the process, but I didn't record all the knitting stage. But I will insert all the clips that I have in a few minutes. Just for you to know, this is made out of mohair, which is for sure my favorite fiber. As you can see, it's quite thin, so the sweater ends up being like translucent, and it's really light and fluffy, and I love this texture. And I also trying to mix the butter yellow mohair with some white, so the lace will melt more fluid into the knitting with the help of this color, I think. But as you can see, I'm a huge fan of mohair. I have it like in tons of colors. And I also think that maybe I can mix the mohair with some of these things that I have bought like 1 month ago. And I will try to add a little like shiny touch, not a detail, but I think that this might be like a good idea. I'm not sure yet. I will try it and I will show you everything as I go. So hope you enjoy the video and hope you like it. Let's see where this takes us. Hi there. Well, we're back. Right now, I was thinking about starting to like making an invisible attachment of these lace pieces on top of the knitting. I don't really know how to make it yet. I think I might try to include some of these braids to make it more interesting and also to give it like a touch, a really shiny touch. I think it might be helpful, but I will try it and show you how does it work. Hey there, how are you? Well, I was about to record a little video to thank you for being here and for watching all this full video. I'm really happy with how the sweater turned out, but then something happened, and it's that my dog Poncho starting to ask to be pet. He's really spoiled and I pet him all the time, so well, as you can see, he was in need to be hugged. Well, what I was about to say is that I'm really happy with the result of the sweater. I think the embroidery turned out great, and also that the lace flowers really add something extra to it. So I think this will really match the set that I have previously done. Now I will take a minute or two to wave in the ends of every thread, and I think that will be it. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching the video. I will improv because right now I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't really know how will I even edit this, but I will make it work. And as I was telling you, if you have a minute and you can please press the subscribe button, that would be great help for me. And also maybe if you have any suggestions about the next videos or topics that I should talk about, that would be also helpful for me. Well, hope you have a nice day and see you again.